Hey everybody, welcome to 3013 Drayton Way. Beautiful new construction home by Blu Sky Builders. I'm going to take you on your own personal tour. Come with me. You won't be disappointed in the kitchen. A lot of cabinetry to make sure that all of your kitchen accoutrement has a great place to be stored where it's not out on the countertops. The incredible island, and of course, throughout this home, you're going to notice a lot of really unique and interesting light fixtures that really set a tone for the comfort and entertaining aspects of this space. This gorgeous 5-piece master bathroom not only incorporates this great soaker tub, the double vanity, but a true walk-in shower that has virtually no lip between the tile outside the shower and the glass surround. Really great for usability, keeping it clean, especially if maybe there's some mobility issues that need to be taken into account as well. One of the things you'll note in this Blu Sky Build basement, first of all, it's really bright for a basement. There are a couple of reasons for that. Most notably, when you take a look at the window wells, this one in particular is almost a daylight, right? So different than a walkout basement, but one where the window well doesn't go all the way to the top of the window. So a lot of natural light downstairs. I love that this isn't finished yet because it really allows you to take a look at the quality of craftsmanship that Blu Sky and his subcontractors put into this place. And right now, he's actually offering a really unique and special offer, and that's the cost of finishing this basement. We've gotten a lot of feedback from people who really like this home, really like the modern aesthetic that he put into it. They love the location and the views. But we've had quite a few people who wanted to be able to get that basement finished as a part of their initial purchase price. So Jesse at Blu Sky right now is offering finishing most of the basement. It's about 1,400 square feet of basement finish for the low price of around $80,000. It's just under 80. And that again is 1,400 square feet, which is 2 bedrooms, a living space, as well as a bathroom. If that's of interest to you, he would love to sit down with you and talk about how you might want that space finished and how that builds into the budget that he's got planned, or you can buy it as is and keep the basement unfinished. One of the things I love about Jesse and Blu Sky Builders is the emphasis that they place on energy efficiency. One of the advantages to being down here before anybody has finished the basement is the ability to really take a close look at how everything has been done and the quality of craftsmanship that went into this house. You'll note that there is a tankless water heater for that added efficiency. Jesse with Blu Sky does upgrades on his furnaces to get to a higher efficiency level to really improve that energy efficiency. And you'll also notice, by the way, I'm gonna be quiet for a second, see if you can hear anything. It is blowing like 80 miles an hour outside right now. And in the basement as well as on the main level with all the insulation and energy efficiency upgrades he does, it sounds really quiet in here, which is just a testament to his work.